Hello, my name's Stanley. Today I decided to improve my old strategy by combining the ARUN and the MACD indicators. My account balance is $1,490 and my goal is to test this combination and see how it performs in today's market. These indicators used to work well and I adjusted their settings for more accurate signals. Today I'll be observing how they interact to find moments to enter the market when the trend becomes clear and stable. Friends, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. My name's Stanley and I'm starting. First, let's set up the trading tools. If you need a promo code for a bonus to your deposit, it'll be in the description below this video. I choose classic candles and the time frame is 30 seconds. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the ARUN and the MACD. Let's configure the ARUN indicator first. Set period to 10, go to Style, set up to green and set the width to 2. Set the width of down to 2 and save. Let's configure the MACD, set signal period to 5, set fast period to 10, set slow period to 20, switch to style, and let's disable histogram, set the width of the MACD to 2, and let's set the width of signal to 2 and save. So the indicators are ready to go. Friends, if you trade on your phones, configure them in the same way. First trading situation. The expiry time is 3 minutes. I'm opening a short trade for $1,000. Now I'll explain in detail how to use this strategy in similar conditions. Look, the first signal comes from the ARUN indicator. When the green line crosses the red line from top to bottom, it indicates the beginning of a downtrend. This signals that the market is losing its upward momentum and sellers are beginning to dominate the market. When this happens, it's the first important indicator for entering the market on a short side. The second signal comes from the MACD indicator. When the green line crosses the red line from top to bottom, it confirms the downward movement. The MACD helps to determine the strength and direction of the trend, and when the line crosses downwards, it confirms that the market is in a correction or reversal phase. And when both signals from the ARUN and the MACD confirm the same direction, it creates a very strong confirmation for entering the market with the expectation of a decline. These two indicators together give clear confirmation that the downward movement is gaining momentum, and this is an excellent opportunity to make short deals. Great start! The first trade closed in the black and brought me $870 of profit. So, let's move on to the next situation. Friends, I'm gonna give you a rare opportunity to master the art of trading under my mentorship, and all this without any investment. If you want to trade shoulder to shoulder with me, here's what you need to do. Carefully study the description below this video, click the link and join our community, and send me a private message with the phrase "ready to join the team." And remember, time is a factor. There are only 7 spots left to fill. So please click the link down below and write to me "ready to join the team" so you don't miss this chance. There's a signal. I'm setting the expiry time to 3 minutes and opening a short trade for $2,000. The chart shows a steady downward movement and all indicators confirm the direction. This is an excellent signal to enter the market as all technical tools agree and confirm that the downtrend will continue. When the signals from the indicators and the chart coincide, it significantly increases the likelihood of a successful outcome. And friends, to increase the likelihood of making a profit, Always trade only when both indicators give a signal in the same direction. This is a key rule for minimizing risk and increasing entry accuracy. If one of the indicators signals earlier than the others, don't rush to open a position. It's better to wait until all indicators confirm the same direction in order to act on the basis of a complete signal and avoid false entries. This will help you significantly increase your chances of success in trading. And the trade is in the black. I'm making $1,840. So let's continue trading. New opportunity here. I see an excellent entry point for a purchase, so I'm setting the expiration of 3 minutes and opening a trade for $2,000. All signals for the strategy have coincided and the movement on the chart is confident. These are excellent conditions for a confident entry into the market. As you can see on the chart, there was previously a downward impulse movement, but it ended abruptly, which is an important signal. When the impulse phase of a downtrend is complete, it may mean that the seller's strength has run out and the market is ready for a reversal. Such a moment indicates that the downtrend is losing its energy and the uptrend is beginning to prevail. A new upward impulse is now beginning, confirming the change in market sentiment. Given the current structure and signals, I'm confident that the uptrend will continue, opening up excellent opportunities for profit. With the transition from a downward movement to an uptrend, we can expect stable growth, which will be supported by the current dynamics. And friends, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to send me a private message on Telegram and I'll be happy to help you. And this trade closed successfully and my balance increased by $1,760. Let's move on. An excellent moment to enter the market. I am setting the expiration time to 3 minutes and opening a long trade for $2,000. The chart shows an upward movement and all indicators support the signal, so I can enter confidently. When all technical signals coincide, it gives great confidence in the correctness of the decision and opens up excellent opportunities for profitable trading. This strategy is very versatile and suitable for any time of day and various market conditions. It has shown excellent results in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Throughout the entire time, it gave accurate signals that only brought profit. Thanks to its flexibility and reliability, this strategy allows you to trade at any time of the day without worrying about the quality of the signals. You can use it regardless of the trading session and be sure that it will bring good results, which makes it convenient for traders with different schedules. Excellent! Another successful trade brought me $1,840 and the total balance is now $7,880. Let's summarize. Here are the trading session results. I started with $1,490 and ended with $7,880. The result is really impressive. The strategy worked perfectly. Friends, if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. My name's Stanley. See you soon and happy trading!